Which country consumes the most matchsticks? A. India. B. China. C. America. Correct answer is B. China. What is the village name of Narendra Modi? A. Vadnagar. B. Sabarkantha. C. Ahmedabad. Correct answer is A. Vadnagar. Which color makes elephants aggressive? A. Red. B. Blue. C. Yellow. Correct answer is A. Red. Which state in India has the most temples? A. Tamil Nadu. B. Uttar Pradesh. C. Maharashtra. Correct answer is A. Tamil Nadu. What was the name of Mahatma Gandhi's wife? A. Kasturba Gandhi. B. Savita Gandhi. C. Kamala Gandhi. Correct answer is A. Kasturba Gandhi. Where is the Sas Bahu temple located? A. Udaipur. B. Ajmer. C. Jaipur. Correct answer is A. Udaipur. Mahakali River is known as the river of which state? A. Uttarakhand. B. Nepal. C. Sikkim. Correct answer is A. Uttarakhand. How many bones are there in the human body? A. 206. B. 210. C. 208. Correct answer is A. 206. Which is the smallest bone in the human body? A. Stapes. Ear bone. B. Ear bone. C. Nilika bone. Correct answer is A. Stapes. Ear bone. Which tree provides the most oxygen? A. Peepal. B. Banyan. C. Neem. Correct answer is A. Peepal. Which state in India has the largest barren land area? A. Rajasthan. B. Gujarat. C. Maharashtra. Correct answer is A. Rajasthan. Who travels in the Air Force One aircraft? A. President of India. B. President of the United States. C. Prime Minister. Correct answer is B. President of the United States. Where is the largest zoo in India located? A. Delhi. B. Kolkata. C. Mumbai. Correct answer is B. Kolkata. Where is the one-horned rhinoceros found in India? A. Kaziranga. B. Ranthambore. C. Bandhavgarh. Correct answer is A. Kaziranga. When was the electric bulb invented? A. 1879. B. 1854. C. 1901. Correct answer is A. 1879. Which animal is considered auspicious to buy in India? A. Cow. B. Elephant. C. Dog. Correct answer is A. Cow. Which election in India is not done directly by the public? A. Presidential election. B. Lok Sabha election. C. Assembly election. Correct answer is A. Presidential election. When was the first burger introduced in the world? A. 19th century. B. 18th century. C. 20th century. Correct answer is A. 19th century. Which animal is the largest? A. Elephant. B. Lion. C. Horse. Correct answer is A. Elephant. Which is the largest city in Madhya Pradesh? A. Indore. B. Bhopal. C. Gwalior. Correct answer is A. Indore.